What's going on, guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital. We're here with Deepak Varshney, CEO of Usha Resources. Nice to have you on, Deepak. How are you doing today?
Oh, I'm doing great, man. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, of course. I'm excited to be talking about the company. Can you start by giving us a quick intro to Usha Resources, telling us all about what you guys do?
Yeah, for sure. So Usha is a North American focused junior mining company. We've got three projects right now. We've got the Jackpot Lake Lithium Brine project in Nevada. We've got the Lost Basin Gold Copper project in Arizona. And we've got our soon to be spun out Nicobat Nickel Copper Cobalt property in Ontario. And so our focus is looking for drill ready or near drill ready projects in North America where we can get the best bang for our buck as quickly as we can.
Oh, that sounds great, and definitely some very in-demand commodities. So Usha Resources is focused on multiple commodities, very important within the marketplace. Can you tell us more about your strategy and what makes your projects unique?
Yeah, so I mean, we want to be working in sectors where we think there's going to be a lot of upside in the future, right? So we started off with this great nickel project in 2019, the Nicobat project. We added on a really great gold copper property that really we fell in love with, and we wanted to bring in, and so that's right on track with what we're doing here with this lithium property now in Nevada, where we've added lithium today and nickel today, with the demand for battery metals and electrification. Those are two really great places to be in. And so our strategy has always been, as I said, to look for high upside projects that really, I think we can get to a advanced stage relatively quickly and cheaply. And so that's what we have with our properties.
Wonderful. So, what are some of the major catalyst investors and prospective shareholders should be looking out for, let's say, in the next couple months?
Yeah, so I think, we're excited to be drilling at Jackpot Lake, right? I think that's going to be a huge catalyst for Usha. We're very close to submitting for permits. We're getting very close to what I think is the drill program, because in Nevada, fortunately, the turnaround is actually very good. And so I think that's going to be our first key catalyst this summer, is to see that first drill program at Jackpot Lake. And, that's ultimately going to deliver a resource, right? And I think that's what we're really aiming for when you look at any project. And so that's going to be our big catalyst in Nevada. We should also be, I think if you're an investor in Usha, you should be very excited because we're doing our spin out. So you're getting a 5-to-1 dividend. So it's a 20% share dividend into a new nickel company. And so I think that's going to be a big deal as an Usha shareholder, right? Who doesn't love free stock? And again, in a commodity that's very much in demand right now. So the record date is to be announced, but I think that's going to be a big win for our shareholders, a nice reward for them. And we're planning on drilling at Lost Basin as well, right? We've worked hard on that property to get to a stage where we're happy to go drill. It's becoming, as we see here in the market in Arizona, a very hot camp. A lot of drilling going on in projects around us. So I'm very excited to go drill that property, right? And so I think those three things really make Usha right now a compelling story, because we're active, and being active is a good thing.
Definitely, and lots of opportunities for value creation. So, if you had to pick one of your properties, I know it might be hard. What are you most excited about? Which one are you most excited about? Let's say strictly on a near-term potential basis.
Definitely Jackpot, right? I mean, I think fact is we always want to be moving projects forward, advancing projects forward, and I think with the lithium brine, being able to deliver a resource this year is really exciting, right? That's the next stage, and then you can build on that. And I think that even though we just acquired it, that is something that I'm really looking forward to doing for our shareholders and us.
Yeah, I look forward to covering it. So, with inflation running rampant, where do you see the most opportunity, and why should investors consider Usha now more than ever?
Yeah, I mean, I think the resource sector as a whole is, I think, something we're going to see have a great rest of 2022, right? I think with the way things are going in the markets, there's going to be a rotation, and I'm a big believer that rotation is going to be into the resource market, and so for Usha right now, I think we're in a perfect place for an investor to take a look at us and evaluate company. We've got a great set of projects. We're going to be active moving forward. We're offering a 20% dividend in the near term with that nickel spin out. And I mean, the thing to really look at is all this is packaged in a very tight 7 million market cap, right? I think that we're at a stage of growth, which is when I personally look for a company to invest in. That's what I'm looking for. And I think that we made a very compelling case for investors to look at Usha and I mean, I hope invest. So, yeah.
Yeah, it'll be great to cover your company, and I look forward to everything that you guys have in the pipeline. So where's the best place for investors to find out more information about Usha Resources?
I would say our website, but join our mailing list. We're very active. We like to make sure our shareholders and subscribers are in the know. They know what's happening. And so both of those are great, right? We make it easy for our shareholders and investors in general to know what's happening and what's coming down the pipeline, and to stay up to date with the company.
Yeah, well, thank you so much, Deepak. And this will be the first of many interviews. So I look forward to bringing the news, and best of luck with everything.
Yeah, sounds great. Thanks for having me. Take care.
If you like these videos, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. Furthermore, this video may or may not have been sponsored by the companies that we've profiled within this video, and we may or may not own shares of any of the profiled companies in this video. If you want to know the full disclosure details, check the description down below, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.